Yawning interrupted by a hiccup. About a year ago, I watched an old movie, Magnolia, which stars some familiar names like Tom Cruise and Julianne Moore. It was a weird movie. Here's an improbable scene I still remember. After numerous failures, a suicidal teenager tries one more time by jumping off from the rooftop of his parents' tall apartment building. On the way down to a certain death, he's hit by a stray bullet and gets killed instantaneously. The bullet is from his mother's rifle during her drunken ritual gun-waving argument with his father. Earlier, the son secretly loaded the gun with the hope that one of his parents would be killed during their routine arguments. The bullet misses the father and goes outside through the window and hits their son. He's dropping fast, passing by the window at that very moment. He would not have died anyway, as there is some builder's netting on the side of the apartment building that could have stopped or at least slowed down his free fall. In a sense, his attempt to commit suicide fails again. His mother is convicted of the slaying. His father, a minor character in the story, survives to effectively become a bachelor. This was supposed to be a true story, but according to an undated issue of The Guardian, a British newspaper, it was apparently invented by a forensic scientist named Don Mill. So, what would be the odds for such an extreme coincidence? Would it be similar to having a hiccup interrupt a relaxing yawning? A Korean proverb, 하품에 딸꾹질, asks such a question. This story is from essay entry number 461 in A Dog Barking at the Moon, my 5th book on Korean proverbs. It will come out this summer.